I'm Chelsey Kuper, registered dietitian with Digestive Care Center, and this is Simply Made Meals. And today I'm going to be teaching you just a simple technique that you can use to make a variety of quick dinners at home. And they only require one baking sheet. So today I'm going to be making for you a Greek chicken bake. First, to start out, you'll have a small bowl, and in it we're going to combine a can of diced low sodium tomatoes, and you want them drained. And then 1 can of quartered artichoke hearts, and these are used a lot in Greek cooking. Alright, then we have a half a cup of sliced black olives, and olives and olive oil are staples in Greek cuisine. With olives, they're never eaten right off the tree. They actually have to be brined in order to be palatable. But olives and olive oil provide monounsaturated fats, which are really healthy for our heart, so they're great to include. Then we have a half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. The feta cheese provides a lot of flavor with just using a small amount of it. And then 1/4 cup of light Greek dressing. That also has the olive oil and some feta cheese and really good herbs and spices in there. So this is our topping for the Greek chicken bake. Just toss it together. Okay, so I mentioned that these meals just are all on one baking sheet. So I've sprayed my baking sheet with cooking spray, and then I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Next, I'm gonna lay out my chicken tenderloins just out on the baking sheet. And I like using the chicken tenderloins because you don't really have to trim them at all, and they cook a lot quicker. So if you're wanting a quick meal for dinner, it just takes like 20 minutes to bake. Okay, so I've lined the chicken tenderloins just down the center of the pan. And then this dish really is simple because all I'm going to do is top it with my Greek veggie mixture. Pour it right over the top. It looks really pretty too with the red and black from the olives and the white feta cheese. And this meal, it can be great enjoyed just on its own. It's really high in protein and fiber with the vegetables and low in carbohydrates, but you can also add in a side of brown rice or even stuff this into pita pockets, and it's just really great for that type of meal as well. So what I'm going to do next, again, is just put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. So there it is, and we'll stick it in the oven. So the Greek chicken bake has been baking in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. You can see that it's browned on top a little bit. It smells so good, and there's just tons of flavor in this dish. And so I hope you'll try out this recipe. And I mentioned earlier there's other sheet pan recipes that you can find on our website. Some of the other ones are a roasted sweet potato chicken Brussels sprout dish and roasted fajita dish. So go to our website at dccevv.com in the nutrition section.